Okay, let's do this. Let me get my knife so I can open this the way I want to. So I can... I'm nuts. I don't know if you've seen me do my weirdness before I open the cellophane. Kind of crazy. Carefully. And then I have library tape, and I tape it to the box so I can save the box. They kind of crushed this box, but I guess we'll live with it. It wasn't expensive. This is Tarot of Druids Mini. The usual little flip book. I wanted something small that would fit in my small purse. I need to pull out my stool. That way I can get this up here closer and see what I'm doing. So we have the Fool. And everybody. The Magician. Empress. Bra. Finton Mech. Boy, I'm going to have to read through these carefully. I can't see them. Doctor. Well enough with my reading glasses. And here, and from, stupid. To read, I need one prescription. To look at arm's length, I need another prescription. To see distance, I need a third prescription. It is a pain in the butt. It's not quite what I thought it would be. I like that it's not glossy. Oh, come here. I don't feel like saying everything. Ace of Pentacles. It's nice enough. It's might be one of those that I'm willing to part with. See, I like her. Huh. I like her. So far, she's about all I like. Really. Ace of Swords. I'm also trying to do this when my husband's mowing the lawn. Yeah, it's a funny little deck, let's say that. I hope everyone is having a nice Saturday. Stay safe. Peace. Love you all. Toodles.